Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today is all about taking this BMW F30 to a whole full transformation. We have done so much work on this vehicle and I want to just go through the spec with you. So today, basically this client came in and wanted a kind of just a night and day difference in transformation over the whole vehicle. So what we've done is, starting at the front, I'm going to work all the way backwards. So client was after kind of a very visual change from his BMW F30 3 Series. So firstly, with the kidney grills, double slat gloss black, going away from the single and with the chrome surrounds that were on there before, giving it a far sleeker look, really blending in with a couple of other accents that we've got across the vehicle. We've then gone for the Maxton Design front splitter, which looks absolutely incredible. Moving then on, we've gone for the gloss black Maxton Design side skirts and then Maxton Design rear sides as well. This is where kind of the quality of installer makes a difference. These kits you might think is a relatively low skill job potentially to be able to fit, and most mechanics would be able to do this sort of thing. However, this is where the art form and level of detail that our team go to. So on this particular vehicle, these sides actually aren't properly able to fit it. So the ones that Maxton Design offer for this car do not work with the twin exhaust that you've got just on the left hand side. So our team have worked their magic. What we've done is modified that actual part slightly and then finished it off incredibly well. Reason why this makes the difference on an install is because we don't give up. We want to make it kind of blend in with the rest of the vehicle, give the client the option, because it looked kind of quite bare without that part there. So we had the options of going down the route of just leaving that area section off, or doing a little bit of modification work and fabricating that panel to sit in really nicely. On the back end of the vehicle, we'll put some shots on there of the rear diffuser as well in gloss black. So there's loads and loads of different bits and pieces and elements that we've added onto the vehicle. But in terms of visual customization on a car, we offer so many other different things. So for example, a roof wrap, wing mirror wrap, whether you wanted caliper painting, so many elements are able to be done in terms of getting a car looking completely different. So the best way to spec a car is come in, meet our team, have a consultation. We sit down and go through everything in a lot of detail, go through a couple of different options in terms of spec, how you'd want it, price it all up for you, and then give you the choice if you wish to go ahead or not. But the package that we've done here is designed via that consultation basis for our client. He's come in and seen us, and now his car looks absolutely fantastic. I'm sure there's still a few more bits he wants to do to it over the next couple of months or year, but it looks absolutely crazy for the kit that we put on. I'm really happy with the final results, and those rear sides with the modification has come out really nice as well. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.